Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Let's talk a little bit about how you can increase your followers in LinkedIn. So, first main thing is you need to post some projects, right? You need to do some work, post some projects, collaborate on some groups, interact and all that stuff on the work side. So, consistent and original works will help you get more followers, and you need to also make sure whom to follow. Let's say if you're in a group and you like a certain uh, you know group of people that are interacting and you know exchanging their ideas, and you follow them and they'll follow you back. Most of the time what happens is their peers will also follow you back, so that's how you increase your followers. And the next way is, well, be intentional. Just don't daily post some good contents or post some good projects or ideas that is very niche on your expertise. So that is another way. Also, what you need to do is, of course, be consistent. Again, consistently upload your works and share it. So that is also helpful. Join some groups that will eventually lead you to more interactions, and again, eventually more followers. So if this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.